They're fucking welding. Look at them.
Yep.
Side lights. Done. Show in the corner. Yeah. Have you showed them? They're very dim as well. We shouldn't have done this sunny day.
Yeah, should have.
Yeah, I'm doing it at night anyway. Oh. I'm just showing what it looks like in the day as well. Yeah. Is there any more lights? Show them all together. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Daylight, I'm going to switch to the tiny ones, which are the...
Yep.
So these are the daytime running lights. To show you on the reflection there on that side. You know what it shows the reflection here?
On the car?
Yeah, show it that way. I'll show you back on there. And I'm going to put the high beam on. It's daytime running lights here. Like you can see them. That's the high beams. They're bright. Hey Kutti! Fucking hell, they're bright, bro.
Yep.
High beams. I'll show you on the other side. Window outside. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Banging, bro. Hey, what's going on, guys? MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Here are the headlight the bottom ones. These are known as the going home lights. And yeah, so we'll see you in the next clip.
Did you hear me on the motor? You know where he goes 40?
Yeah. And
Fucking holding that second gear. Show him that side. Show him that side. Okay, now use my still see my indicators.
Not on the camera. On the camera is pretty faint.
Now, you capturing it.
Yeah.
Keep your straight. Okay, get these guys go. Quickly go fast. I need to put my high beam on, man. Let me put my high beam. Do the last cross.
It's a bit fuzzy.
Yeah.
It's a bit fuzzy.
So I'm just going to put the lights in the mirror. You ready? You know, on this side. Leave it now. End it. Ready? Hey, let me do high beam. Ready?
Yep. Jeez.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay, pause it. So is it full dark from here?
Yeah.
Okay, up close it up. Okay. You can close it. Fucking hell.
Well, you can see everything from now.
These are amazing, bro.
You can literally see to the end of the road.
That's without it. I actually don't even need the high beams. That's how good they
And it, you can. This probably picks up on the camera also.
Oh, you ready?
Go on. Jeez.
Oh, that's close. I love the difference in.
Yeah, the thing is, we don't need the high beams from here.
I know we
We
don't
can
need
still see the corner over there. Amazing.
What time is it?
2:32.
Oh, this is probably one of the best plays I've ever done. Oh shit, it's black. Right. Yeah. Fucking hell, these are right. Right. Alright, ending up. No, wait. So that's my normal lights. High beam with this beam, mashallah. Guys, daytime running lights, main bulbs low beams, parking lights, okay, high beams very bright. Okay, now errors wise, check front right beam. Wait, check left beam. So it's only the dipped beams, which is the low beams, that are coming up with the canbus error. So the rest, the other two sets of bulbs are fine, which is really good. When you do turn on the car for the first time, the high beams do flash a little bit because it's just figuring out what power to send it, which is okay. It is still canbus free, so it's okay. It's just figuring out what power to give. Same way like HID has to heat up and stuff, elements and stuff, but this doesn't have to heat up. And cooling wise, it's okay. It fits in the case as well, everything. So it's really good fit, and it cost me about £40 altogether. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.